Well, morning folks, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're at Todds final round of the championship. Stayed here last night, had a bit of a look at the track, didn't see much of it, but what we did see looks really good. Barry and the team have been at it again, building some really interesting obstacles around there, and I've seen there's a couple of sections jumping through skips, and then there's a big wall ride, and of course, it's Barry, it has to be a bridge. Yeah, last year's races were fantastic. We're here in the morning for the last round of the championship, and then this evening we're also here for the night race. So really looking forward to that. It's going to be sketchy, but it's going to be good fun as well. So let's get ready here. We'll get the first race out of the way, and we'll catch up afterwards.
So yeah, done the morning race there, finished 31st. It was a real tricky track today, a lot of wet routes, really good layout though, really enjoyable race. So that's the end of the championship, and yeah, we're going to go out now and do the night race. Went out and walked the track. There's some different lines for the night race. There's going to be some real sketchy ass hill climbs, but we're just here to have a bit of fun now, so yeah, let the carnage commence.
Hey, find the ladder! Find the way! Find the ladder, mate!
Good luck. Straight into the corners, first lap. Fucking hell. Give it there!
Hiya. That's me calling out of the day. That's enough of that.
What are you on, 3 laps?
Well.
It was very key getting up those.
No.
Not even Barry jumped on. And even he jumped on a few times.
Yeah. I got across Hamburg Hill there, I couldn't even get up the bank in the first place. Just was spinning and spinning and couldn't get traction. Fair play to the boys out there, 5 or 6 laps. But not me. I knew my place.